Hello, welcome to my channel. So in previous videos we have done about the introduction of the real numbers, and we have solved exercise 1.1 and also 1.2. So these two videos, if anyone has not viewed those two videos, just click on the icon button on the right side of the YouTube channel, then you will be getting the real numbers 1.1 and also 1.2. Okay, today's topic is representing real numbers on the number line through successive magnification. Okay, we know that real numbers has a decimal expansion. Real numbers will be having a decimal expansion. Okay, so these real numbers going to have a decimal expansion. Then these decimal expansions will be having two types of expansion. One is terminating decimal and also non-terminating recurring decimals. So non-terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals. Okay, so in the previous videos we have learned that real numbers will be having decimal expansions, and those decimal expansions will be having terminating decimals and also non-terminating decimals as recurring. So what are terminating decimals? We know that 2.56 here, the remainder is going to become the 0, then it is called here terminating decimals. And non-terminating repeating decimals, so 2.56, if the bar is on 6, so here it is recurring decimals. So such type of decimals are called as terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. Now in this video we are going to represent these terminating decimals and non-terminating recurring decimals on the number line through successive magnification. I hope you have understood. So this expansion are going to see on the number line through successive magnifications. Now first of all we are going to represent the terminating decimals on the number line, okay, through successive magnifications. So these terminating decimals representing on the number line will be on in the exercise 1.3. So now let us do the first problem in the exercise 1.3. Okay, now in exercise 1.3 the first question is visualize 2.874 on the number line. Now you can identify here 2.874 is a terminating decimal. Okay, just now we have seen that a terminating decimal and a non-terminating decimal. Now here 2.874 is a terminating decimal. Now let us see how to represent this terminating decimal on the number line. Okay, now we are going to represent this terminating decimal on the number line. Now 2.874, this is a terminating decimal. So this 2.874 lies between, you just take the whole number between 2 and 3. Okay, 2.874 is going to lie between 2 and 3. 2.874 lies between 2 and 3. Okay, now let us take a number line having 2 and 3 on the number line. So here if you go on to see here, we have taken a number line from 2 to 3. So divide this one unit into 10 equal parts. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have divided into 10 equal parts. So in between 2 and 3 you are having the 10 parts as 2 point. Here if you can see here 2 means 2.0. 2 means 2.0 and 3 means 3.0. Okay. Now see here, we have divided into 10 equal parts: 2.0, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, 2.6, 2.7, 2.8, 2.9 and 3.0. Now we have to see, we have taken only after decimal first place values. So what is the first place value here? 8. So 2.8, where it is 8? 2.8 is lying between, come on say, yes, first decimal is 2.8 and next one is 2.89. So after the whole part, after the integral part, we have moved to the first decimal. So this 2.874 still it is lying between 2.8 and 2.89. So here we can write down here 2.8 is lying between 2.874 into 2.9. Okay, see my dear children, now here 2.8 and 2.9. Now we have moved for after decimal first part. Again you have to take a number line between these two, 2.8 and 2.9. So let us see here what is the decimal part. So we have taken 2.8 and 2.9. Okay, now this one, what is here? Actually it is 2.80 to 2.90. So 2.81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Now just now we have seen after decimal only first place value. Now let us move to the second place value, means 7, 87. So where it is 87? Here 2.87. Okay, and after that one is 2.88. So we have taken, so 2.874 is going to lie between 2.87 and 2.88. Now what is our problem? We have to represent 2.874 on the number line through successive magnification. Means we are zooming. You have seen the in your mobiles that if you want to zoom any image clearly, if you want to see, just you are going to zoom the image. Similarly, this zooming is nothing but successive magnification. So 2.874, just if you are going to zoom it, you can see where the value it is here. Now you can say that now 2.874 is lying between 2.87 and 2.874, then 2.88. See, we are taking this one 2.87, 2.8, 2.87, 2.8. So 2.874 is lying between 2.88. Now if you are going to move for third one, so here we have taken number line 2.87 to 2.88, 2.87 to 2.88. So we know that here after this decimal we can place it as zeros, and here also 0. Again divide it into 10 equal parts. So 870, 0.870, 871, 872, 873, 874, 875, 876, 877, 878, 879, 880. So what is the number we required? Actually the problem is 2.874. Now where it is 2.874? So this is the 2.874. So here actually we have taken 2.87, here it is only 2 to 3. Again we are zooming, means we got 2.8 to 2.89. In that we have seen 2.87 to 2.88. Again zoom it. Again zoom it means here you got 2.874. Like this we are going to represent real numbers of terminating decimals through successive magnification on the number line. I hope you have understood the representation of the real numbers on the number line, that too terminating decimals. Okay, first of all you have to take the integral part 2 to 3, then after decimal parts first decimal and second decimal, and we are going to get the third decimal. After decimal 3 places you are going to get. So this is the first problem in exercise 1.3 representing a terminating decimal on the number line. Now in the next problem we are going to represent a real number on the number line, that is non-terminating recurring decimals, which are going to represent on the number line. So let us move to the second problem. Well, now second question is visualize 5.28 bar on number line up to 3 decimal place values. Okay, so in previous problem we have taken terminating decimal, here non-terminating recurring decimal we are going to represent on the number line. So here 5.28 bar can be written as 5.2828 so on. Like this we can write the non-terminating recurring decimals. Now if you want to see where does this value is going to lie on the number line, first of all, as we have done in the first problem, first of all you have to see the integral part of this non-terminating recurring decimal. So that is 5 and 6. So it is lying between first condition. So it is lying between 5 and 6. So 5.2828 so on is lying between 5 and 6. So now let us see here number line. If you are going to see on the right side of the my board, see here 5 and 6 means 5.0 to 6.0. Now divide this 5 to 6 10 equal parts. So after dividing into 10 equal parts, now we are representing 5.0 means 5.1, 2, 5.3, 5.4, 5.5, 5.6, 5.7, 5.8, 5.9. Now if you are going to see the decimal, first decimal means that is 5.2. So here 2 means it should lie between 2 and 3. So it should lie between these two parts 5.2 and 5.3. So now this is the first figure. So after the second means it should lie between 5.2 and 5.3. Now second one 5.2 is less than 5.2828 so on is lying between 5.3. Okay, did you understand here? First part, so this decimal total number is lying between 5 means after 5 what do you get? 6. So in the first part this non-terminating recurring decimal is lying between 5 and 6. That's why I have taken the number line 5 and 6. Now if you are going to see the non-terminating decimal of recurring, first place value after decimal is 2 means it should lie between 2 and 3, that is 5.2 and 3. So we have taken that 5.2 and 5.3. Now let us draw a number line having 5.2 and 5.3 so that divide this 5.2 and 5.3 into 10 equal parts. So here I have see here 10 equal 5.2 to 5.3. For your easily understand purpose I have written as 5.20 and 5.30 divided into 10 equal parts, and each part we are writing 5.20, 21, 0.22, 0.23, 0.24, 0.25, 0.26, 0.27, 0.28, 0.29 and 0.30. Now here we have to see two place values 5.2 28. 28 means, now where it is 28, come on, look at the number line and say where does 5.28 lies. So here, very good. And next one is consecutive number you have to take, 5.29. Okay, so in the second figure we are representing 5.2828 is lying between 5.28 and 5.29. So what is the third one? 5.28 is less than 5.2828, so on 5.29. Okay, so here we are zooming the image, first 5 to 6, then again zoom it, we got 5.2 and 5.3. Again zoom this one, you are going to get 5.28 and 5.29. Again if you are going to zoom 5.28 to 5.29, again you are going to get this one. Okay, now we have taken number line 5.28. For our convenience purpose, after decimal we are going to place 0 here. So to 5.290, divide into 10 equal parts. 5.281, 282, 283, 284, 285, 286, 287, 288, 289, 290. Now here, now see here, 3 decimal place values. 282, where it is? Here, 282. And the next one is, you have to take 283. Okay, so here we are magnifying, we are zooming these two images, that's why we are getting the nearest value. So this is the third picture. Next one. So the given non-terminating recurring decimal lies between 5.282 less than 5.2828, so on. So 5.283. Okay, now we have to zoom this 5.282 and to 5.283. If you are going to zoom these two values, you are going to get the in between these two values, that is like this you are going to get. That means 5.280, 5.283. We have zoomed this one, you got this one. Okay, so here what is our number? 3 decimal places already we have completed. Now 4 decimal places here, 2828. So where it is? 2828. So up to here, 2828. Like this we are going to represent. Still if you want to get again 5.2828 to 5.2829, again zoom it. So you will be getting the zoom images like through successive magnification. So this is the representation of non-terminating recurring decimal on the number line. Hope you have understood representing on the number line of terminating decimals and non-terminating decimals. If you get any doubt regarding these two magnifications representing on the number line, just drop your doubts in the comment section given in the below of the YouTube channel, so that I can solve it. Okay, so if anyone has seen this video, please subscribe my channel and share it, so that you will be getting the notifications whenever I am going to upload a new videos. Okay, so this is about the representing the real numbers on the number line through successive magnifications. Okay.